Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to download a Canva presentation with animations. If we want to keep our transitions and effects when sharing or presenting, we will go through the best export options. For example, if we have an animation here or transition animations in our presentation, to download this, all we need to do is click here. Once we are here, we just need to click Downloads. Here, we will choose the file type. Since our presentation has animations, we will choose MP4 so that the animations are fully preserved. Once we are done, we just need to click Download. Now, let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we will have the file saved on our desktop or laptop. As we can see, here is the animated presentation from Canva. And that's how we download a Canva presentation with animations. With the right format, we can keep our design smooth and engaging.